By numerous requests of my subscribers, we do an analysis of the sales ranking, assistant or SR group project. Before I begin, I will say that I know that this video will be watched by many people who are on my channel for the first time. So, for you, I say right away that I am not a harsh critic who destroys everything. I am a marketer with good experience and a team. We also go to various projects to make money on the internet, but when we come across such where it is too obvious that soon scam, we warn our subscribers about this. I also know there's going to be a lot of angry comments underneath this video, but let me show you something. If you go to the channel, open the video tab, scroll down a little bit, you'll find a video with warnings. In general, you can go and read it yourself so as not to drag out the video. I think everything is clear as it is, plus or minus the same picture will be here as well, and I am not asking you to believe me or not believe me, I don't need it. Just listen carefully to the video to the end, save the link to this video will come in handy, and let's go to the analysis. If you open the About Us section on the site, here, this is all blah blah blah, it's called a legend, and I've seen people call it a company. I don't have any words here at all. Try your friends to open this site on a PC or laptop and see for yourself. If you don't have a small antivirus, it just won't let you in. You'll see a warning about phishing. I'm here for beginners. My viewers don't call it a company on the channel. Some claim to have been working in Singapore for more than 10 years. Here is a list of countries where they are most represented. This is a screenshot from a similar web. Anyone can check all this. Go to a similar web, enter the site address there and you will see the same picture. Saudi Arabia, Kyrgyzstan, Pakistan, Morocco and Nigeria are the countries with the largest concentration of participants in this project relative to Singapore. Now, about more than 10 years, let's take a link. Open Google and type the who. From with your hands, open it, insert the link that leads to the site here, and the name here is SRA0.com. Some strange name is already a search, go a little lower. And here we see registered on August 15, 2022, updated on February 19, 2023, and this service is not my words, anyone can check this, then return to the site. Here they have a section, service at the bottom of the bottom menu. He leads to a Telegram channel. So, if you are not lazy and scroll through this to the very top, you will see that the channel was created on September 14, 2022. This is the approximate start date of this project for parameters of this scale. This is already a lot, and he will soon die of old age. The question is, when we look at the coolest offer here in the Telegram, here it is, this post. Invest $500 for a period of 60 days and get $79.38. In general, you can read the numbers yourself, but oh how sweet everything is here, well, just very tasty numbers. Now imagine the average person who is pulling a couple of $100 here. Back and forth for a year now, and for a whole year, this person has been receiving regular payments. Now tell me, do you think he might think the project would stop paying? And then, when he realizes that in just 60 days, having invested only $8,000, he will get $127,000 at the end, what will he think about? What do he want, but what does he need for this? There's only $8,000 to carry. And so, friends, most of those who have earned here will take this money back. Some will also invite friends or get into debt and send money in an unknown direction. After all, you don't know where you are sending them, and then there will be a scam, because no one will pay this money. We have this publication here on October 26th, and now the question is, when it is difficult to say unequivocally when the scam is already very, very close. Since October 26th, the most gullible have happily brought them money when they stop carrying. That's when the scam, who in the project probably noticed, but why did they raise the minimum withdrawal amount to $50, for what? What do you think would be less withdrawn? In any case, friends, get out of here. In any case, do not make new deposits if you are already withdrawing everything there that you have time to withdraw, you have earned perfectly. Save this money and don't try to be fooled by this and invite your friends there. Moreover, it was a good project to be taboo. Yes, but it was good, it has already worked out its usefulness. and all new deposits will remain there. This is a centralized classic hype, when money is concentrated in the hands of one person. And so he fed people money for a year to make them stay vigilant. All doubts are gone and it's time to harvest. He'll collect it. I showed you a list of countries where they work the most. In general, I think plus minus quite popularly explained that scam is coming soon. If it's your first time on the channel, just subscribe, watch for a while. You will see everything for yourself and understand what the channel is about, and in the end I will say a little that in the HYIP industry there are projects that are super risky, there are medium, risky, and there are the least risky. And my team and I are analyzing all this and posting it on our YouTube channels, but it will not be the last. There are a lot of projects on the market and new interesting ones will appear, so stay tuned, turn on the bell so as not to miss new videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.